Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss about the delete, truncate, and drop. Okay. So what is the difference between delete, truncate, and drop? Okay. For that, we will go with the Excel, and then let me zoom it, guys. Okay, little bit zoom it. Okay, and hope it's clear, right? So now we'll discuss the points. Okay, what is delete? Okay, delete is a DML command. Okay, it will sit up talk about only the structure. Suppose you have a student table. Okay, in that student table you have ID and name. Okay, ID and name. Okay, and in that ID you have 1 and A and 2 and B. Okay, 3 and C you have. Okay, so you want to delete only this ID record, only one record you can go with. And if you want to delete entire records, you can go with delete. But delete will delete the records, whatever the records you want to delete, and you want to delete entire records also, but it will not delete the structure. The structure remains same. Okay, so it's only DML means it will talk about only the data. Okay, inside data. So delete will delete the inside data in a table. Okay, it will not delete a structure. The structure will be remain same. Okay, and then drop. Okay, so we'll discuss drop, and then afterwards we'll discuss truncate. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, then after we'll discuss truncate. Okay. Okay, so next, so drop is a DML command, guys. Okay, drop is a DML command. Okay, sorry, DDL command. Okay, DDL means data definition language. It will totally drop the entire structure. If you use the drop command, see, after deleting the data you can see the structure. So suppose if you delete entire table, okay, so if you delete entire table, and if you want to see the invalid object name, okay, already, sorry, I didn't select perfectly. Okay, so it's affected. Okay, there is no rows. Okay, and you want to see alt F1. Okay, if you press alt F1, sorry, control F, not control F1. So if you press alt F1, you can see the structure. Okay, sorry guys, alt F1, you can see. So even you can select the table also. Just a minute. Okay, whether the data is deleted or not, you can see. Okay, so let's go here, and then you can execute it. Okay, so the structure is remains same. ID, name, email address, age, and salary. The structure remains same. But okay, see, but data is not there. Okay, that is about the delete, guys. Okay, data is not there, but that is about the delete. Okay, structure remains same. But if you drop a table, suppose if you drop a table, okay, drop table name, so the structure will not be there. Okay, so let's take a copy, and then if you use the drop here, okay, drop table table name, okay, the structure. So entire table will be go. Okay, if you execute the select statement, invalid object, something like that, you will get. Okay, invalid object, there is no object. And so that means the total structure and everything, data structure, everything, it will be clear. So DML means, DDL means it will talk about structure. It will talk about structure. Okay, so clear. So hope the second point is, so it will clear the structure. Okay, it will clear the structure, total structure, it will be clear. Okay, total table structure, it will be clear. Okay, sorry, total table structure, it will be clear. Okay, it will clean. There is no table structure, guys. Okay, so but it will, table structure remain same. Okay, only records will be, so even only, not only structure structure remains same, but data, so specific data also. The main thing is, main beauty of the delete is you can specify the specific records. Okay, whatever the record, suppose you want to delete only this record, only one id name a, so you want to delete that, you can specify. Okay, you can specify the where class and then you can delete. Okay, syntax is delete from table. Okay, and also you want to specific records, you can use delete from table and then table name, and then you can use a where class. Okay, you can use where class and then you can specify some id and then delete that. Okay, specific records also you can delete by using delete. Okay, but here you cannot specify any records, but it will drop total structure. Then we are coming to the truncate. So what is truncate? Truncate is a ddl command. Okay, so truncate also will delete the total data, but the structure is remain same. So then, okay, so then what is the difference between delete and truncate? Both are doing same, right? So then what is the difference? Only ddl command, dml command, that is the only difference? No, there are one more difference. Okay, there are some more differences. Okay, what are that? Okay, you cannot specify the specific record. Okay, you cannot specify, you cannot delete specify records. Okay, okay, whatever the id you want to delete, no. Okay, so id 1, okay, where id 1 we have, so I want to delete only that record, no. The truncate, it will not possible, you cannot delete only specified rows. Okay, that is one reason. Okay, that is one reason. And then second reason, okay, you cannot delete a specified records by using truncate. Okay, but truncate is faster. Okay, truncate is faster and delete is slow. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason means, so delete will go row by row, and it will delete the records. But truncate, at a time it will delete all records. At a time it will log the table and it will delete the data. But delete will go row by row and it will delete the records. That is the reason delete is slow. And one more difference is that we can roll back the data. We can roll back data, but we cannot roll back the data. We cannot roll back data by using truncate. Okay, so that is the main difference. Okay, truncate, how you will truncate? By using suppose we have one more table, tbl employee. Okay, tbl employee t table is there, tbl employee. What, sorry, just a minute, we'll go to database, sample data and tables, tbl, sorry, employee table, not tbl. Okay, so employee table is there. So if you see the data, okay, select data and then, okay, so this is the data we have. Okay, if you delete something, you can roll back. Okay, just now I have seen in my previous video. If you don't watch that video, I strongly recommend to watch my previous video about the delete, how to roll back the data. Okay, let me delete some record and then roll back. Okay, suppose if I delete where id is equal to 3, I want to delete. Okay, so delete from this employee table where id is equal to 3. So we have to specify. If you want to roll back, so don't forget to specify begin tran or transaction. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, you have to specify. So then only, and immediately you have to roll back. If you write some command, other command, it will not roll back. Okay, if you select something and then if you want to roll back, no, it will not. Okay, you have to specify immediately roll back, then only it will roll back. Okay, see, so one row is affected, means that row got deleted, and if you click on roll back, it will be roll back the data. Okay, let's see the selection. Okay, so that way we can delete and roll back. Okay, see, third row deleted and it got roll back, but if you truncate the data, we cannot roll back it. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so suppose if you use a truncate table name. Okay, if you use a truncate will not participate in a transaction, guys. Okay, try to understand that. So truncate will not participate in the transaction. Okay, if you do that, okay, where class is not, okay, where class is not allowed in a truncate. That is the reason it giving a syntactical error. Okay, just remove that, and then, okay, if you execute it, okay, executed successfully, and when you click on roll back successfully. Oh, how? Come on. Let's see that roll back or not. Okay. Let's click here and then start from table. So the command is executed successfully, but whether the data is rolled back or not. Oh, that means the truncate also will participate in the rollback. Super. Okay, this point is new to me, but okay, very good. Okay, even truncate is also participating. The thing is, okay, it will so mainly we cannot delete any specified rows. Okay, we cannot delete any specific rows in a table. Okay, so it will totally delete the, okay, it will total delete the entire table. Okay, entire table records. Okay, the table structure remains same. That is the only difference, and truncate will be faster compared to delete. Okay, is that clear? Hope I am clear with this delete, truncate and drop. Okay, so thank you guys. Okay, if you like my video, please like it and share it, and subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe it. Okay, if you haven't subscribed it, just subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, so for more videos like MSBI or Power BI or data warehousing concepts, so we'll get more videos. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Okay.